In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable parallax scrolling on your Wix website using strips with dynamic backgrounds. Parallax scrolling is a popular design effect that creates an engaging visual experience as users scroll through your site, offering depth and interactive movement that can capture attention and keep visitors engaged. To achieve this effect on your Wix site, we will be working with strips, which can have a solid color, image, or video background. Combining multiple strips in this way can greatly enhance the aesthetic appeal of your website. Let's dive into the steps needed to bring this effect to life. To get started, open the Wix editor for the website you wish to enhance. On the left side of the editor, you'll see a variety of options that allow you to customize your website. Here you want to look for the option titled Add and give it a click. This will present you with a range of elements that you can incorporate into your page. From this list, select Strip. The strip is a versatile component that serves as a large container with its own unique style and content options, making it ideal for this project. The process of adding it is pretty straightforward and will serve as the foundation for our parallax effect. Now that you have added a strip to your page, it's time to give it some visual depth by altering its background. To do this, within your strip, you need to locate and click on Change Strip Background. This selection presents you with the option to modify the background to suit your style. You can be creative here by choosing a solid color, inserting an image that complements your site's theme, or even setting a video as the background for a more dynamic effect. Consider what kind of atmosphere or message you want to convey with these elements, as they play a key role in the overall impact of the parallax scrolling. With the background set, the next step is to enable the scrolling effect itself. Focus on the strip you're working with and look for the options under Scroll Effects. This menu provides a variety of motion effects you can apply, including parallax, reveal, zoom in, and fade in. For the purposes of this tutorial, you want to select parallax. This choice will make elements on the background move at a different speed than the foreground content, imparting that visually striking parallax effect your visitors will love. Once you've applied the effect, it's important to see it in action and make sure it aligns with your vision. Head over to the preview mode, which allows you to experience your site the way your visitors will. Take a close look at how the parallax effect functions and how it complements your site's design. If it doesn't feel quite right, or if you have any further inspirations, don't hesitate to revisit and revise. And that's it. You've successfully enabled parallax scrolling on your Wix website. By following these steps, you should have a dynamic and visually appealing strip that enhances user engagement. Enjoy experimenting with different combinations of strips and backgrounds to find what best fits your unique website style.